Hey, this is Darren W. Carter of Carter's Barbecue, and today I'm outside in my little mini kitchen here, my homemade mini kitchen here, and we're gonna do some smash burgers. So let's get to it. All right, before we get making these things, one thing you should know, you should always prepare way ahead of time, not way ahead of time, but ahead of time when you're doing smash burgers because they cook pretty quickly. So what I want to have with these,
Daddy, which one you want?
both, you can just give me both of them, baby. My little helper coming with me right now. Thank you. Scoop out the onion rings. I was going to do the preparing and show you all that, what you probably already seen before, but I'm just going to have some onions, get everything prepared. I got a 4-year-old, as you saw, and a 1-year-old, and they just, anyway. So for you all that have kids, you understand. So check this out. All right. So I got my onions. We're going to put these on very quickly. Some onion rings, like I told you. And here are the smash burgers. These are about 2.5, 2.5 ounces. You can do what you want, 1/4 ounce, half pound, I don't care. But I like them small so they get that nice big crust on there. So let's get these in. I'm going to get the onion rings on. I'm going to get the onions on the Char-Griller flat iron here, and let's get to work. So with the Char-Griller flat iron, just like many other griddles, I have 4 zones. So 2 is going to be the hot one where I'm going to be doing the burgers themselves. I'm going to do the onions over here, and here I'm going to do my bun. So let's get these onions on. Let's start them caramelizing. All right. We're going to let these work. Now there's 2 train of thoughts here when it comes to doing smash burgers. A lot of people like to have the onions separated like this and then put their burger there. I just kind of prefer to top them at the end. So that is what I'm going to do here. All right, it's gonna take a minute for these to get up to par. So I'm gonna let these cook and we'll be back in a couple of minutes. All right, so the onions are getting where I want them to be. And now I have the onion rings on my Char-Griller Duo. I have an cooking eye on there, so we got that too. So let's put these on here. And I'm using, see that? Miss Rubin's Black Magic. You got to get this stuff. I put this on all my steaks. You got to get this stuff. All right, let's get this done here. It's getting dark in the CLE and people are hungry, like myself. So I'm just gonna give a coat here. Yeah, there you go. Give a coat of Black Magic. It's gonna be the first taste down. Let's get these on the grill. All right. Some more Miss Rubin's. Me personally, I like to put a little oil on here just because it doesn't stick so bad. But as everybody, you do as you wish, and we smash. That's of course the smash burger, right? I generally like to get mine as thin as possible because that gives me a good crust. But again, at home, you can do as you choose. That's the great thing about cooking outside, cooking barbecue. You can do what makes you feel well. You can do you. And this is just how I do me. Now I turn the onions off because they are at a consistency of what I like. All right. And while that's happening, before I flip these, getting a little butter here, I'm gonna toast up some bread. Now, for me to do this in my kitchen will take so much longer. So much longer. If you're wondering why you can't see me, it's because I'm getting my first batch of onion rings out and putting my last batch of onion rings in. And now when I magically reappear, we are going to let's cook some more. All right. Nice. Now when you start to you're going to be looking for like brownness on the edges, or you can flip. You see how they got that nice crisp here? A nice crispy crust. That is what makes these so good, so delicious, and freaking easy, man. Just freaking easy. Now, of course, what would a smash burger be without cheese? Turning off my 2 aisles here because I got everything I need. If you like, if you have a dome, you can also put these under a dome so your cheese will melt quicker, faster, and more evenly, but I like mine to be a little bit thicker. So I'll just keep it as is. Bread looks wonderful. All right. All right. Now, what we're going to do, 2 per bun here. Actually, mine is 3. All right, and this one is mine. All right, give me a minute. Let me build this up and then we'll go from there. All right, now to build my smash burger, I like a couple of things. One, this smack sauce from Caribbean. If you don't have this in your life, you're just missing out, okay? 2, my barbecue sauce. And maybe one day you can have this in your life. Hey, baby. So, Stella went home. All right. I have mine here. I'm gonna dump some of this smack sauce on the bread. Throw some of my sauce. A couple of onion rings. And voila. Now, you know what I forgot? Bacon. Can you believe that? I forgot my bacon. But this is good enough. So, and there you go. Look, I hope you all enjoyed this nice, quick, short video. Please subscribe, like, and share. You can see down here somewhere, you see all my social media handles. Now, as you can see, this did not take a long time. Smash burgers are nice, simple, quick, easy, and to the point. And I will have in the description below all these products. Again, Black Magic for Miss Rubens, my honey heat smack sauce from Caribbean, and like I said, maybe one day y'all can get my barbecue sauce, but not just yet. All right, until the next time we throw something on the grill, you all take care.